How to make Wix auto-translate your website. So right here, I'm inside the Wix website editor. And for this, we will click on settings and we have to go to multilingual. So click on this option for multilingual and this will install the application on our website. So it will detect the language of our website. It's actually French. English. So here you can change it and we have to confirm our default language. So once we have confirmed our default language, then like I said, it's going to install it. And here we can add different languages which our viewers can translate to from this application. So I will just add French and we can choose to auto-translate site content. So if we choose this option, then it will tell us that we actually have a limit here, but you can choose this option to auto-translate your content and we can just simply click on settings here. So right now I'm going to go to settings and we will see language auto switch here, and it will tell us that automatically show your site to visitors in their browser language. So we want to enable this here. So again, like I said, it's going to cost you the premium version. You have to have premium, but this is basically where you upgrade this. And that's how you auto translate your website to your added language here. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.